It is Face Your Fears Day, so we're going to talk a little bit about what are those things that create anxiety and what anxiety actually is. You know, if you have a fear of something, spiders, the dentist, some future appointment that you have, whatever that is you putting yourself in a future situation in a way that is less than ideal. So when you have that sense of anxiety inside, that feeling is actually more like 2 or 3 different feelings because it creates those different responses. When you have a sensation of anxiety or fear inside, you can let it freeze you, or you can use it as it's freeze, flight, or what is it? Fight, flight, or freeze is what I was thinking. So you have those 3 options that you have to kind of decide. And when you have the feeling of anxiety is something you have stuck in here, and you can either harness it and turn it into performance, right? Into something that you want to do. Like, for example, if you're maybe afraid of public speaking or going on stage or something, and you face that fear, you actually do it, then the next time is going to be a lot easier because now you've proven to yourself that you can do it. You know, granted, hopefully nothing goes terribly wrong during your experience, because otherwise that would create the other fear. So in the moment of fear or anxiety, think about what it is and decide if it's something that you want to harness and turn it into a peak performance kind of moment. Because when you are in that moment, feeling that sense of anxiety, you are actually very sharp. You're paying very much attention to a lot of different things. So if you were to just use all that energy you have inside and turn it into what you want to do, that is going to give you much better results, of course, unless it's something dangerous, than if you have a little bit of anxiety and you decide, oh, this is not for me, and you run. There's always an appropriate situation in which you want to do that. Of course, you have to make that decision in the moment. But it being that it's Face Your Fears Day, then it's an important thing to think about whether that fear is actually something that is dangerous or something that you shouldn't do, or is it something that you can actually go like, I'm going to push through my comfort zone, I'm going to take a step out there, and I'm going to make something happen out of this, and turning that anxiety into raw power. That's kind of how I like to think about it.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.